So you really give the user a good description of what each field is and even where it came from. I mean, why not? Use labels.
What employers are really looking for right now are skills. They want a workforce that can implement and operationalize a data analytics strategy. So we said, how can we take something that really needs to be done in the industry, such as providing data analytics skills to the workforce? How can we take the talents that we have here at the Meehan School of Business and combine them to offer a program as important as this? So there were a lot of things we thought about. We want to be able to have students take this program while still working full-time jobs. We wanted to have a chance to work with our students one-on-one in person. And so we came up with this hybrid cohort model where it's a low residency program. Students come every 3 to 4 weekends. They spend the weekend with us. We provide meals, we provide books, and we get to have one-on-one time with a small cohort of students. And so we think that that makes a really incredible program.
In this year's program, we have 9 students, and so we are in constant communication with each other. We're problem solving. We teach each other, right? Rather than having to fully rely on the professors for every question, we really try to work through it as a group and lean on each other.
With the professors here, it's so impressive how actively involved they are in wanting to help you. Like, I remember I was struggling on an assignment one night, and I ended up messaging Professor Soleil on Slack at something like 10:30. And I messaged him something like, give me your opinion on this piece of code that I'm writing, and please, for the love of God, don't answer now. Get some sleep. And I closed Slack because I didn't think he'd answer, and I happened to see a notification pop up like 25, 30 minutes later, and it was just him, and he was laughing, and he said, nope, you're getting an answer tonight, or something like that. So, like the relationships I'm able to form with my peers, I'm also able to form similar relationships with my professors. And so I think it's very useful for kind of fostering that really tight-knit learning environment.
There are probably hundreds of data analytics, data science programs out there. What makes the Stonehill experience different? We said, well, first of all, we need students to have all the skills they need, so they walk away with an accelerated master's degree. But we said, what else can we add to that? What else can we do to raise the value of their experience in the program? So students can walk away with a master's degree. They earn automatically a SAS Tier 3 academic specialization, the highest level SAS co-grants, and they can also walk away with a professional certification. This is the same type of certification you could earn if you went ahead and went through training classes that cost thousands of dollars and sat and took a test that cost hundreds of dollars. That's all part of the program. So they're learning and preparing for the exam while they're taking classes. And it's not like they're doing this on their own. By that I mean, by virtue of going through the program, they're being prepared for these certification exams. And they're walking away with a master's, an academic specialization, and a professional industry certification. So that's really unique. As far as I know, I don't think any other degree out there is doing something like that.